In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Bookings Calendar, Microsoft Bookings Tutorial 2026. If you've decided a booking page is no longer needed, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to remove it safely and cleanly. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting a bookings calendar removes that booking page and its configuration. It doesn't delete your personal Outlook calendar, but it will stop new appointments from being scheduled through that page. Make sure you have the right permissions in your organization and consider whether anyone still depends on that link. Start by opening Microsoft Bookings. You can get there from your Microsoft 365 app launcher or by navigating directly to the Bookings homepage and signing in with your work or school account. Once you land on the Bookings home screen, you'll see a list of booking calendars or pages tied to your account. If you manage several, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct one. Check the name, logo, or any identifying details to avoid removing the wrong page. Next, hover over or select the calendar you want to remove. Look for the three dots, sometimes labeled More Options, next to that calendar's name. Click those three dots to expand the context menu. This is where Microsoft places management actions for each booking page, so if you don't see the options right away, make sure you've selected the correct item in the list. From the menu that appears, click Delete. Depending on your tenant's wording, you might see Delete Booking Page or a similar label, but the action is the same. You're preparing to remove that entire booking calendar. Keep in mind, this affects the public booking link and the services defined on that page. Existing meeting invitations already sent won't vanish from inboxes, but people won't be able to book new appointments there. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify the deletion. Read it carefully. This is your last checkpoint to ensure you're removing the right page. If everything looks correct, click OK to confirm. If the button is disabled, you may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, contact your Microsoft 365 administrator to proceed. After you confirm, the page disappears from your bookings list and its public link becomes inactive. That's it, the calendar is deleted. If your goal was simply to pause bookings rather than remove the page entirely, consider using availability settings or taking the page offline next time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your bookings environment with confidence.